Hi everyone, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. Another important question sir. और ये क्वेश्चन है holisticrajiv.blogspot.com जो कि सर का अपना ब्लॉग स्पेस है. अगर आपको there are a lot of ways where you can reach out to sir, whether through his Telegram channel where you can find him. Another is sir को आप इस blogspot पे जाके you can ask a query and sir will reply you. Third is comment in the video down below whatever your queries and we'll try to find out. Sir, reach out to sir and find out the answers. So यहाँ पर this was a very good question that a fourth engineer asked sir. So I thought why not make a video on this. The question is sir, the fourth engineer is saying sir, I started reading a book and I'm finding it nice. But sir, regarding the market, sir recently अभी उस time का question है when Adani का suddenly January का when that Hindenburg report came and suddenly we saw that Adani lost a lot of money. So he says regarding the downfall of Adani, how can we trust share market? I mean no offense sir. How can we closely watch the market? Here for Adani in a day or two, he has lost his billions. So, sir, I want to know in what context is this young, naive fourth year asking this question, and what should be the right answer?
Well, you have given the link already. So, if you want the typical answer, which I wrote after a lot of thinking, it is there. But what happens is you write one thing, which should be articulate, nicely laid out, and another thing is when I am talking to you like this. So you see, these type of things that Adani's wealth went down or the rocket went up to the moon or the American Fed increased the rates or reduced the rates or what will happen after the elections, and due to COVID, the market went down after COVID. So there are a lot of things you can answer like this. So I want to tell you one thing. That in life, whatever you do not follow any script. Do not try to go by these memes which go around. These are games which are played at a very higher level. We are very small people. We earn little bit of money. And your job is only twofold, like I said in the previous video, to save money, to invest money. For investing, find a good mutual fund and continue to invest it till you keep earning and do nothing. If the market falls down, do nothing. If your mutual fund for extended time, say 6 months, 1 year, you keep observing that it is not doing so well. And another after 1 year you find that no, it is still not doing so well. So then you stop investing in it and you start thinking about removing your money and at the same time investing in some other fund. I can fearlessly take the name of Axis Fund, which has not been performing for almost 3 to 4 years now. And I had a lot of faith in this because I had started investing money in this. But the question here is that how do we monitor the market? The simple answer is we do not have to monitor the market. That is precisely why we have started taking the route of mutual funds. The word is mutual. Your, mine, his. Everybody pulls in the resources, somebody pulls in 1,000, somebody pulls in 10,000 and the money goes to purchase few things. What are those things? Those things are stocks of the company. So you purchase those and with the economy or with his business plans, the company stocks keeps doing well. As the company stocks keeps doing well, the share market also does well. So your mutual fund also does well. So your mutual fund is the end result of everything. When you have purchased the one mutual fund, it consists of 20, 30, 40, 50 companies also in small ratio. And these mutual fund people, the managers, they are usually very, very smart. Not usually, generally they are, as a rule, they are very smart and they have a team of people who do the research for them. They tell them by their insight, the fund manager tells the equity research team that I have my vision for this fund or for this stock. Please do a research on this. So when they do the research, they just don't open the balance sheets and profit and loss and see the business. No, they ask the company. And when the mutual fund people ask, the companies run. If you and me will ask them for anything, they will not even reply. But when the mutual fund asks, they run because they know that mutual funds hold a lot of money. I mean, they have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 crore in just one fund to invest. And they can change the fortunes of any company in no time. So that is the reason. Going back to Adani, you see, people only heard when Adani's wealth went down. It was not his wealth which went down. It was also the investment of the people which actually went down. Well, when it went down, those who had money and when they bought the stock of this particular company, which fell from 4,000 to 1,000, if they bought it at 1,000, this company again went back to 2,500. This reply which is there was made in a particular time. But after that, again the company stock is back. And after that, company has again taken over a few other enterprises. So the problem is not about following a meme, or following a rhetoric that what will happen if this happens. Nothing will happen. You worry about your fund. Any movement of any particular company can only affect to a maximum of 10% in that fund. Means even that if that company becomes from 0 to 0, only the 10% of the asset of that fund will be affected. So what's the big deal about it? And there will be other companies to compensate it. That is why we have taken the format of mutual funds. And that is why now different formats are coming up, that index fund and this and that. So you do not have to worry about it if the market comes down. No market has ever come down and stayed down for more than 2.5 years. After that, it has come back again. The Sensex may take time, but your funds will come back much faster. There was a time like we lost a lot of space in 1992 when the Harshad Mehta scam was there. So the market took a long time to come back. But you see COVID, the market went down on the 24th of, it started going down in January a little bit, but it crashed in March after the lockdown. How much time did it take to come up? 4 months. And today from 26,000, where is it? 64,000, 63,000. So the point is, don't read too much to show your intellectualism, or don't give in to the intellectualism of other people. Mark my words, the maximum amount of money ever made in finance, field of personal finance was by people who were dumb, who didn't do anything. They knew that they had to invest and they have to keep investing. They never saw any website, they never subscribed to value research, they didn't do anything. They just selected some funds which some people told them, or the professional told them, or their distributor told them, and they just kept at it. Even a return of 14 to 15% can take you miles ahead. There's nothing to worry about, and you must just concentrate. Do not try to go into details of all these. Your job is only to select the fund properly, start investing in good time, continue that investment, keep increasing that investment as your other miscellaneous expenditures come down. For example, earlier when you come back from after your first duty and second duty, you have to again go back for exams. So your money to be invested will be less, but immediately then you go back, your salary will be higher. So you start investing a little more. Do not stop for any time, and unless required, do not remove money from mutual funds. We have only told you that please invest minimum of 35% of your salary that you earn on a yearly basis. So whatever is your salary for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, together, take 35% of that, divide it into 12 months and invest every month in 2 funds, 3 funds. Just keep investing that. Why 35%? Because assume that what you are earning is actually taxable. Assume. And that tax is 35%. So at least put it in your mind that this money is not mine. And you invest. If you have got a good heart, you have a good family backing, you have disposable money, increase your investment. You go up to 50%, 60%. But as with time, your funds go up, your salary goes up, your net worth goes up, please keep increasing your investment. Now, I cannot really say, because with the kind of life that has come up in last 2 years, my own concepts of accumulating so much money are actually taking a back seat, because it is a lifestyle inflation which is affecting everybody. So don't give in to all these rhetorics of nothing is going to happen to the market as long as you don't invest in one company or sector funds. Please don't invest in sector funds like you want to invest in pharma or technology. Invest in diversified funds. Why? Because they have funds from all sectors. One Adani, two Adani, one Ambani doesn't make any difference here. Just for your information, in any mutual fund, no mutual fund is allowed in any scheme to keep more than 10% exposure to one company, which I already told you before. So that is maximum exposure that anybody can have. And as I have also written in that reply on my blog, holisticrajeev.blogspot.in, that nothing is going to really make things tumble down. And even if the stock has come down in a particular moment, it will come back again. As long as you are not exposing yourself to one stock or one sector, you are quite safe. Please don't follow the stock market every day. Don't see the news. Don't look forward to the daily bulletin which you may be getting on board. You'll be fine. You'll be just fine, because we are the biggest enemies of our life and investment. Other people can do less damage. We can do more damage. If I were to ever make a video on my life, the mistakes I made, I would say that I did the biggest damage to myself. Nobody else did actually. I mean, even if somebody tried to do, it was because of my reaction that the damage was caused. So don't do that, and you'll be happy. And follow the basics. That is all. Absolutely.
Thank you. I hope you got your reply, and it was another great insightful session. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Yes, in the description box and in the first pinned comment section, you can find of the Telegram channel where you can reach sir, or holistic.rajeev.blogspot.in. That is where you can reach out to sir as well. Or agar zarurat pade in the comment section, you can mention your comment and we'll try to find out the right answer from sir. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.